My name is Simon Mann. I'm Managing Director of Liquid Integrity Systems. We specialise in providing leak detection for operators of large liquid, waste and storage facilities. LIS's methods are based on decades of experience in the electrical geophysics industry, allowing us to fully understand modern data acquisition methods and leak detection technologies. Electrical leak detection methods have been used for decades very effectively at finding leaks in geosynthetic membranes, or liners. One of the problems with applying these methods is that they often require substantial interruption to operations at great cost for the clients. We have developed methods and technology that allows us to apply leak detection in areas that might otherwise prohibit it being used. We specialise in offering services that can be applied in deep water, highly corrosive liquids, hypersaline conditions, as well as workaround conditions including pumps, pipes and other infrastructure. The survey platform allows a technician on site to interpret the data fully as he goes. We're also including high resolution GPS positioning on top of highly sensitive sensors on the boat that allow us to fully interrogate the data after it's been collected. We offer both permanent and continuous monitoring systems, as well as survey systems that allow us to work with clients to provide all the information they need to maintain and monitor their facility. The data on the rover is securely transferred to our office for interrogation by a trained specialist. The data on board is also interrogated live by a technician on site. This allows two different steps for a leak to be detected and follow-up actions as needed.